Thank you for media patient. I myself, 26 Nong Duar Bogri APSSC President Monor Singh Ingti. I would like to say that last night, APSSC Central Committee Organizing Secretary Sri Kursing Timung was kidnapped by the three group of KSA, namely Mirjengkro group and Thompson Rongpi Lamding Road KSA group and also ESDC KSA group. Last night they went to our organizing secretary Kursing Timung house, and from his residence they taken away to the roadside, but very luckily Kursing Timung was found alive, and later we the APSSC party rescued him and brought him to his house. But actually the three group of KSA, they want to murder him because he raised his voice against the establishing of Sainik school at Samyelangso. But Kursing Timung made nothing wrong. He commented only not to establish the Sainik school where the villagers was inhabited from earlier at that place. So Kursing Timung comment against the Sainik school was that to transfer from that place and to settle another place. For that reason, the three group of KSA got angry and they want to murder him, Sri Kursing Timung. For that reason, last night they went to his house and taken away from his own residence, and they took away to the hidden place. But he was very lucky. The villagers and our party got information. As soon as they got information, they went for rescue again him, and by the grace of God he was saved and found alive. But we the APSSC party from 26 Nong Duar Bogri, not only 26 Nong Duar Bogri, the whole Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong and Dimauso Karbi would like to request the three group of KSA not any mistake or not to make any repeated work like this, like last night. If they continue to do this type of incident, we the APSSC party would also like to take in any necessary action in court of time. So we strongly condemn the last night incident. Thank you.